scary bell peppers.
Today, we're going to cook some fresh bell peppers.
Wow!
I'll show you how to make bell pepper pancakes. Ha ha! Ha! Ho! Let's see.
Oh no!
Here. Hup. Come on, try it.
It's so hot!
Delicious!
Oh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Yummy.
Huh?
Oh no!
Wait, must be can't eat bell peppers?
No!
Want to try some? Bell pepper pancakes are delicious. Here you go.
Let's make some snacks.
Must be seems strange.
Maybe he has a tummy ache.
I'll check on him. Must be. What's wrong? Huh? Are you sick?
Well, I can't eat bell peppers. Bell peppers look scary.
Peppers! Are you afraid of bell peppers?
Oh no! They had a scary face.
Well then.
I'll show you that bell peppers aren't scary at all.
Now, where's Must Be?
Well, where did Must Be go?
I don't know.
What?
Everyone, I told you to stay away from the storage room. Come here, Must Be. What? What is this? Oh no!
What's that?
It stings.
Guys!
Go away! No!
No! This must be black
I am King Bell Pepper the Great.
Must Be.
Huh? My name is King Bell Pepper. Pepper. I fear nothing. Ha! Cha! Cha!
We have to get Must Be back!
Have any ideas? Ionasis?
I'm turning everyone into bell peppers!
Bell peppers can't scare you if you're a bell pepper yourself. I used Musby. I'm so smart. Go, Musby! Bell Pepper King!
Pepper! Pepper!
Oh!
No! Huh? Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Wait, what's that? Cha-cha! Cha? Huh? Bell peppers! Ah! Yeah! Are you okay? I'm okay. Ugh. I have a great idea that can save Musby!
Huh? What are they doing?
Smells delicious.
Just take one bite! It's really yummy!
Huh? Cute teddy bear? Huh? Pepper, it's delicious!
That's made of... That's made of bell peppers!
Pepper? These meatballs have peppers inside? Whoa! Ta-da! I can eat bell peppers now! Yummy!
Yonasis.
Oh, must be!
I failed again!
Slow down, Musby. You'll get a tummy ache.
Wow, it's delicious!